Hey guys, this is Naz and I am back again with another amazing saree look, and this time I have tried to give a fusion look since our videos are watched all over the world like Australia, UK, oh my god, what not, Bangladesh. Then I thought, why not, just mix bit of, and just give a trendy look to this. So looks, this is the complete look. Just see there, and this is a silk sari that I'm wearing, and this is the same way how you do with the other way of wearing a sari, is just that you keep a very low, I don't know what does it call, it's yeah, pallu. Of course, I'm so sorry, but yeah, you can keep the pallu over here because just to give a modern touch to the sari, if you don't really enjoy wearing traditional way of wearing a sari. And yes, it turns out to be like this, and from back it looks like this. For me, you just have to just put this on a very tight way so that you can just probably show your body shape how it looks. And having said that, that doesn't mean that only it looks good on thin girl. Any size, any girls, you can flaunt your body. It's our body, our choice, isn't it, girls? And the blouse, I'm wearing a satin one, floral printed blouse, and it has, when it's satin, it's always, it gives a very kind of drapery kind of feel. And yes, it's a 3/4 sleeve, but you can even wear a something which is sleeveless, even a full sleeve. And combination, for me, I am like sucker of combining proper color, and I feel this is the best combo which I could pick. This and the blue and red floral print combination. And what does it color called, by the way, girls? I'm sorry, but I don't know. Please comment down the color name, okay? Yeah. And yes, and this is the other side, and it also has some kind of this what does it call, patti kind of look, which again giving a very elegant sort of vibe. And but you can pick something which is totally plain, that also gives more modern and very just to modernize the thing. For me, it because of this thing, it's giving little bit of more traditional yet stylish kind of vibe, so I'm keeping it that way. And when it comes to makeup, it's again like, I personally never feel to go with so heavy makeup. I prefer going very light because I feel more confident with less makeup. But again, you can keep a very heavy cold look, and you can just like yeah, you can put some eyeshadows of matching sari color probably. And yes, I'm pairing this with a big hoop earring, stylish one, because I feel this has this enhanced the modernized look. And yes, yeah, tying hair, because since I have tried to create a fusion modernized version of a sari, so I thought, why not to tie my hair. And I have did that. You try your way of styling and put a picture down there on the comment box. We really hope to see those kind of thing. And also the most important part, the belly button. If you really feel comfortable to show, then you can just like keep your pallu and tuck in very tuck in here on the hip, very because I'm wearing it on a very low point, because I just felt I should give a modern way, modern look to this saree. So I'm keeping it that way. But if only if you're comfortable. If not, you can always just put another pin here, and probably you can just take a pleats, or if not, then just just tuck it in this way, and you are good to go. And you will look amazing. Trust me. Try this out. Okay?